All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's a stipulation on the testimony of Araya, the video testimony of Araya. There's also an agreement that she will not be available for any further testimony. So what we're going to do at this point, I believe, is play the video. Correct?
Yep. And the video for the record is State's Exhibit 66, and the transcript is 67.
All right.
Okay, Ryan, your turn. All right. Okay, ready? I'm going to come right in right here. Try to see. Ooh, Jiminy Cricket, sorry. There you go. You can have a seat right here.
Toys.
Toys? Yeah, you can look at those. Well, Raya, earlier when I introduced myself, I told you my name was Danielle.
I have a unicorn puppet and my sister.
You have a unicorn puppet?
And I have a sister too.
And a sister. Okay. What's your sister's name?
Jalen.
Jalen? All right. Raya, do you know how to write your name?
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's a heart in my name.
Do you want to write it?
Yeah. The heart looks different.
The heart looks different? Okay. Thank you.
There's an X in my brother's name.
There's an X in your brother's name?
Yeah.
Oh.
My other brother.
Your other brother's name? Okay.
But my other brother died.
Oh, okay. Your other brother died?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me about that.
But I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. All right. So, Raya, how old are you?
4.
4. Oh, my goodness. So, you're 4 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you...
There's F in my name.
There's an F in your name. What do you like to do for fun?
Play with my brothers.
Play with your brothers? And you drew an F?
What?
Yeah. You made an F? Okay.
And B.
And B? Okay.
I know how to draw B.
You know how to draw a B? Okay. Thank you very much for showing me that. All right, Raya, do you know the difference between a truth and a lie?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the difference?
I don't know.
You don't know? Thank you for letting me know that. So if I said, Raya, you're 4, would that be the truth or a lie?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I said, Raya, you're 10, would that be the truth or a lie?
Why?
Lie. Okay. What happens if someone tells a lie and an adult finds out about it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Thank you for letting me know that. All right. So, Raya, when we're in here, we talk about things that are the truth. Yeah. So you mentioned your sister, Jalen, and some brothers.
This is my name.
That's your name. Thank you very much for writing it for me. What are your brothers' names?
One of that.
Huh?
One of them.
One of them is next?
Yeah.
Yeah.
X.
Oh, an X. Thank you for correcting me. What's your brothers' names?
Alex and Brant.
Alex and Brant. Okay.
How did you
Whoops.
know
Sorry.
that my brothers have a B?
Because you said his name was Brant, so I sounded out the letters.
This is my name.
That is your name. Thank you very much. Okay. Do you have any other brothers besides Alex and Brant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Major and Sagan.
Major and Zayden. Okay. Do you have a mom and a dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's mom's name?
Josie.
Josie. What's dad's name?
Derek.
Okay. All right. How do you get along with your brothers?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Do you play with your brothers?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do they play nice?
Yeah.
Does anyone play mean?
Yeah.
Who?
Well, sometimes my brother punch me.
Which brother?
Then both of them.
Both of them punch you?
All of them.
All of them do? Okay.
And my sister does.
And your sister does?
Yeah.
How does that feel when they punch you?
Sometimes it doesn't hurt.
Sometimes it doesn't hurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
And sometimes it does hurt.
And sometimes it does hurt. Thank you very much for letting me know that.
Okay.
You can. Okay. So, Raya,
What?
you said that sometimes that your brothers or your sister punch you. Does anyone else punch you?
No.
No. Does anyone hit you?
Oh, they always do things to me.
Oh, tell me more about that.
And they always kick me.
And they always kick you? Yeah.
They always hit me in the eye.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then what do you do?
And last time, well, Brantley hit me in the eye with a stick.
Last time Brantley hit you in the eye with a stick?
Yeah, and now my eye was purple.
And now your eye was purple?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you tell Mom or Dad that Brantley did that?
Dad wasn't there, so I told him Mom.
What did Mom say?
She said, go say sorry to her.
Okay. And Mama said that Brantley had to go say sorry to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Does Mom ever hit or kick you?
no,
No. Does Mom ever hit or kick anyone else?
no.
No. Does Dad... Were you going to say something?
Dad always be mean to my mom.
Dad always be's mean to your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. What does Dad do that's mean to your mom?
He always yelled at her.
He always yells at her?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he always kicks my mom.
He kicks your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Where in her body does Dad kick your mom?
Last time, my mom was holding my brother and it kicked my mom while she was holding my brother.
Say that to me again.
Dad kicked in mom and then she was holding brother and it kicked it mom away. Where was it? In her hands.
Okay, so Dad kicked Mom, and then Mom did what?
She holded Brad and then he kicked Brad. He kicked his mom while Brad was in her hands.
Okay, thank you so much for helping me to understand that. So Mom was holding Brant and Dad still kicked Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for helping me understand that. Does Dad ever kick you?
No.
No? Okay. Does anyone kick Jalen?
No.
No? Does anyone kick Alex?
No.
No? Does anyone kick Brant?
No.
Does anyone kick Major?
No.
Does anyone kick Zayden?
No.
No? Okay. So you said that your brother died?
Yeah.
Yeah. How did you find out that your brother died? Because?
My mom told me that.
What did Mom say?
She was crying or not saying something.
She was crying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when I had lots of blood, Brad took one.
When you had to do what?
I have blood, Brad took one down.
You had burns? Say it again. I don't think that I understood you. That was my fault.
I found balloons and Brad just took one of them.
Thank you for saying you found balloons and Brant just took one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for helping me understand. Okay. So when Alex died, what room in the house was he in?
My mom's room.
Your mom's room? Where in Mom's room was Alex?
On the couch.
On the couch? Okay. Did you see him?
No.
No?
That's why my My brother told me that.
Your brother told you that? Which brother?
Brant.
Brant, okay.
Alex died.
Alex died.
Yeah.
Where did you sleep that night?
In my room.
In your room? Where do you normally sleep?
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
By my sister's room.
By your sister's room?
My sister's room is right by my bed.
Okay, your sister's room is right by your bed?
Yeah.
Okay. And so you slept that night in your room?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
where does Alex usually sleep?
in my room.
In Mom's room? Okay. Why does Alex sleep in Mom's room?
Because he have a broken foot.
Oh, okay. How did his foot get broken?
I pushed him down the stairs last time.
Oh, okay. Thanks for telling me that. Why'd you push him? Because why?
Because he was lying to Mom.
Oh, what was he lying about?
He was stealing and lying.
Oh, how did you know he was stealing and lying?
Because Mom told me that.
Mom told you that he was stealing and lying?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then did Mom tell you...
Pop the bubble.
Did Mom tell you what to do about him stealing and lying?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
What's this?
What'd Mom say to do about his stealing and lying?
She got him in trouble.
Oh. What happens when he would get in trouble?
Mom just put soap in his mouth.
Mom would put soap in his mouth? What does the soap look like?
Sink soap.
Sink soap? Okay. Where do you find it?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the kitchen sink.
In the kitchen sink? Is it on top of the sink, under the sink, or something else?
On top of it.
On top of the sink? Okay. Do you ever get soap in your mouth?
No.
No? Okay. Does anyone else ever get soap in their mouth?
No.
No? Okay.
Only in the movie.
Only in the movie?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, if I saw on the phone last time,
Ooh.
something like the water and then their mom just gave it soap water.
And you saw that on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Because they didn't like the water.
They didn't like the water?
Yeah, the kids did.
The kid didn't? Okay.
Pop.
Pop.
How's Faith?
Okay. So then Mom told you that Alex was stealing and lying, and then you pushed him down the steps?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The basement ones.
The basement ones? Okay. Was there anyone else around when you pushed him?
No.
No? Whose Huh?
Only my mom.
Only your mom?
Yeah.
Whose idea was it to push him?
Bert told me to.
Brant told you to?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Mom got me in trouble.
Oh, what happened when
I
you...
think Bert got me in trouble because he told me to push out down the stairs.
Okay. Brant told you to push Alex down the stairs, and then he got you in trouble?
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
Kevin, pop the bubble.
Shh, I can't. It's too strong.
Try to.
Try to. There. What did Mom do when you pushed Alex down the stairs?
Nothing.
Nothing? Did anyone go help Alex when he fell down the stairs?
No.
No? What did Alex do?
He just said, ow.
Oh.
He was right on his butt.
He was on his butt?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he cry?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did Mom do when Alex cried?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Let's play catch.
Okay. Oops. Do you ever get hugs?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yes? Who gives you hugs?
All my family.
All your family? Okay. Did Alex ever get hugs?
No.
No?
I almost went up under the couch.
It almost did? Okay. Did you ever get choked?
No.
No?
Only my brothers choked me.
Only your brothers choke you? Okay. How does that feel when they choke you?
Feels like I'm looking when they choke me.
Feels like you're going to puke when they choke you?
Yeah.
Okay. Does Mom know that they choke you?
Yeah, I always tell them. And when they be mean to me,
Okay. What does Mom do?
she get them in trouble and put them in the rooms.
Okay. Does Dad know that they choke you?
No.
No. Okay. Does anyone else in your family get choked?
No.
No.
I'm going to go right the couch.
You want to go by the couch?
On top.
On top? Okay. All right. So the night that Alex died, then he was sleeping in Mom's room because he had a broken leg?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Did you wake up and hear anything at night? No?
Brent woke me up.
Grant woke you up?
What did you say?
What did Grant say when he woke you up?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
You said Alex died.
He just said Alex died?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were sleeping until Grant woke you up?
Yeah.
Okay. Did the police or firemen or anybody come to your house?
Only the police.
Only the police? Okay. Did they talk to you?
No.
No? Okay.
They just said hi.
They just said hi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Couldn't find my head, so I just quit.
Oh. Okay.
What is that thing for?
It's got tools in it that help me when I talk to kids sometimes.
What?
Yeah. Oh, you got it rolled up in your shirts. Boop. Okay. Was anyone mean to Alex?
No.
No. Did Alex get in trouble for anything else besides lying?
Yeah.
What?
When he still Mom got in trouble.
Oh, when he steals. I think you said that. Thank you for reminding me.
Can I send that tape?
Yeah. And when he would get in trouble, who would get him in trouble? Mom or Dad?
Mom.
Mom. Okay.
Both
And
of them.
both of them? Okay. What would Mom do to get him in trouble?
She just yelled at him.
Yelled at him? What would Dad do?
I'm a pig.
You're a pig! What would Dad do when Alex is in trouble?
He just threw away his toys.
You just throw away his toys? Okay.
Actually, get him in trouble.
What?
Get in trouble.
Get in trouble? Okay, you're going to put it on me? Thank you. Does Brant ever get in trouble? No. Does Major ever get in trouble? Careful on your eye. What happens when Major gets in trouble?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Does Zayden ever get in trouble?
No.
No. Okay. Be careful, I don't want the tape to hurt your eye, okay? All right, I'm going to step out and I'm going to check with my team. You can wait right here and I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm scared if I won't.
You're scared? I'll leave the door open just a little bit, okay? There you go.
you're not going back?
Well, Raya, thank you very much for talking with me. I asked you a lot of questions today. Is there anything about Alex dying that you didn't tell me yet? No? Okay. Do you have any... Oh, thank you for correcting me. What haven't you told me yet?
Because you just left.
Oh, okay. So what else about Alex dying should I know?
The police took him to the hospital.
The police took him to the hospital?
Yeah.
How did Alex die?
Oh, I didn't like him.
Yeah. How did Alex die?
Because I don't know.
Thank you for letting me know that.
You told me that.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah.
What questions?
Alex died.
Alex died. Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Sad.
Sad. Yeah. All right. What are you going to do the rest of the day? Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Well, let's go back over.
Hey.
Okay.
Can you ask something?
Sure.
Okay. I'm going to put this on the back
Okay.
so you don't lose it.
Good thinking.
It's a heart.
Another heart. Good job. All right. Okay.
By stipulation and agreement of the parties, I'm moving state exhibit 66 into evidence.
Okay. Received. I assume that's along with 67.
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Are we just done for the day, or did you want to do something else?
That whole interview's 10 minutes. Oh, there's one other video that I think we agreed to that's about 10 to 15 minutes long.
Okay. Why don't we?
That's the interview of Dr. Peterson, who did pass away.
Right, and I think there's agreement that Dr. Peterson's testimony can come in. He has passed away, and the parties have agreed to that, correct? Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Why don't we go ahead and show that video too at this point?
I think it's an audio. Your
Oh, it's just,
It's a video.
Honor. It's a video.
it's a video?
About 10 and a half
Okay,
minutes.
sure.
Okay.
10 minutes and 42 seconds.
All right.
I'm John Williams, one of the sergeants from across
Hi,
town.
John. John Peterson.
Mike Valencia.
Mike
Hi,
Valencia.
Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
So you know why we're here to talk to you?
Yeah, I got a message about a former patient of ours. I don't know all the details surrounding.
So Alexavier Pedrin,
Yeah.
he came in here
Yep.
for a broken leg.
Yep. I was given his name. Yeah.
So early part of February, we're investigating a death of Alex. So
Okay.
basically, reported as an overdose as
Sure.
of right now. So we're trying to go back to see. There's history in the family with child abuse. So we're just trying to determine what red flags you may have seen, what the
Yeah.
parents were acting like, and what your opinion, I guess, what
Sure.
the broken leg was
Yep.
actually from. So I guess if you just want to tell us.
Yeah, I can. I got his name and looked up his chart. So when I looked back through it, It looked like he was seen at sort of a nearby institution, had some x-rays, and then was transferred here for care.
Yep.
One of my partners, Dr. Baziner, I believe, was on call when he had come in, and a lot of the guys here do kids and adults, but mainly adults. And I'm the one guy that works with mainly kids, so sometimes we get kind of transferred patients to our service from our partners. And he was a kid that Dr. Baziner wanted opinion, kind of what to do with his break, whether he needed surgery or just a cast. And so I saw him kind of as a consultation from a consultant. So I looked at my note in the chart and looked at the kids' x-rays. I can say I don't really remember specifics of any interaction with the family. I couldn't tell you what they look like or anything like that. I do remember his particular case because they did make a comment in the x-ray report that they had concerns for multiple fractures at multiple stages of healing, like consistent with possible child abuse. I would say based on my experience in that x-ray, that's not impossible, but I think that is unlikely what we were seeing on that x-ray. So I think all that x-ray showed for sure was the break he was being treated for. The other stuff is likely for other reasons. So the type of break he had is one, at his age, we typically see after pretty significant trauma. So usually it's things like, kind of a hard bike crash or an ATV crash, motorbike kind of crash, that kind of stuff. So it's one that's a little more rare with lower energy mechanisms, but it could feasibly happen from like a fall.
I think in your notes you said it was a hyperextension.
Yeah, usually it's a hyperextension type injury. But it's not, there are like a lot of breaks that are classic for abuse. It is definitely not one of those breaks. So the breaks we see for abuse are in that location are usually in younger kids, so often babies and non-ambulatory kids where it's twisting, and there's something they call it a metaphyseal corner fracture, where the fracture is through the growth plate and just a little corner of the bone above it. So this was not one of those breaks. This was like a lot of force kind of break typically. So a hyperextension would be the usual mechanism. And I wasn't there when he came in, but certainly this type of break is one that usually shows up in the ER like immediately. Like there's no delay from the injury to seeking treatment.
So if a person waited 2 to 3 days,
that would be highly unusual. Usually it would be sort of coming in from the scene.
With this type of injury, do you think a child or even an adult could walk on that at all?
Well,
I saw the x-ray.
Yeah, it was sort of, I'm trying to say, it was sort of hyperextended and sort of impacted, but it wasn't completely off. I would say it would be really atypical to walk on it, but not impossible. So I would say most kids with that injury go straight to the ER and don't want to put any weight on it. And then usually within 2 or 3 weeks they'll start walking on it, but not always. So sometimes if the bones are sort of more in continuity on one side, sometimes they could put a little bit of weight through it, but it'd be really unusual to be walking on it for 2 to 3 days and then coming in.
Do you remember talking to Alex at all, or?
I don't remember. I just kind of vaguely remember Baziner having me take a look at the kid and coming up with a plan. And
we're talking to Scott tomorrow morning.
So he may be able to say more. But with this kind of thing, they're in the hospital. They've already been kind of seen by multiple people. So I definitely see a lot of kids where we're thinking about child abuse and that sort of thing, just because all I treat his kids, but
Yeah.
this was not kind of a situation where it was the fracture itself was a concern for direct abuse. Now, it could be like a neglect type thing where
Yeah.
a normal kid would have been brought in immediately afterwards, and
Yeah.
he wasn't, but so that would be unusual.
How long have you been a doctor here at Gunderson?
Here at Gunderson, about 3 years, a
And
little over 3 years.
where before?
I was in Sanford Health in North Dakota for about 6 years. That's all post-training jobs.
Okay.
So I've got almost 10 years experience just treating kids and kids' breaks.
Okay. I don't know what else we have to ask you, because, I mean, if you didn't have too much contact with him.
Yeah, and I know Colton, you've probably talked with him.
I talked to Colton this morning.
So so he,
Yeah.
I'm like his supervisor, so
Yeah.
it looked like he had most of the direct contact from our department with the family.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Loziner might remember
Yeah.
meeting with them, might not.
Who was the X-ray doctor or the
The
radiologist? The
radiologist.
radiologist.
You know, I don't know. I'd have to look at it. It was someone at it that I'm not familiar with through Mayo, I believe.
Oh, so it was a radiologist through Mayo that you were interpreting?
Yeah,
their
so
X-rays.
the read that said concern for battered child syndrome was from a radiologist at Mayo.
Yeah.
And then I noticed they did addend their read
Okay.
later to say that they could be normal variants.
Yeah.
But he called like an injury up in the pelvis and then one in the tibia
Yeah.
that didn't look like.
And he's from Rochester, is that right?
I don't know if he was from
Can't
if
remember
he's
the
from
name.
Rochester or
Yeah.
from
Amanda
nearby.
Hansen was the nurse practitioner at Mayo.
Yeah.
And she contacted a doctor through Rochester.
So-
so.
Yeah, I would say if a kid came in with those X-rays, it's pretty atypical to get that sort of read
Yeah.
on them.
Yeah.
So I didn't know if it was a thing like the family had some history wherever they were at and they were kind of suspicious of
history.
it. So I don't know if the provider there put that in or
Yeah.
order or whatnot.
The
But
family has history here, and they went to Mayo first.
uh-huh.
And they were first they're going to go to Rochester, and then realized they needed to go closer, so
Yeah.
they came here second choice. So
Yeah, so I would say my general recollection was sort of probably a little unusual, the delayed presentation.
yeah,
And I don't remember too much other than that. There's a couple kids I remember in my head, but I don't want to say too much because I see so
Yeah.
many kids. I don't want to confuse families, but sometimes
No.
we have kids that are, from wherever, a little less supervised and
Yeah.
a little more sort of cuts and bruises than
yeah,
some kids, but it's hard to know. But yeah, I can say with 100% certainty his fracture probably wasn't from direct abuse.
okay,
Okay, but I would say not presenting immediately after that is concerning in its own right.
okay. Any questions for us at all, or?
I don't.
We just
So-
have a few more interviews to do, and that's about it.
Yeah.
So
Well, that's too bad. I'm sorry to
yeah,
hear about him. So it's like an overdose type thing.
That's how it's reported.
Yeah.
so we're still waiting for the toxicology and the autopsy to come back. So
Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, let me know if I can be of any more help.
Okay.
But those are kind of
Yeah,
my
no,
thoughts on it. Yeah.
thanks for coming in.
So yeah.
Kind of the record should reflect that was State's Exhibit 81, which was also being admitted by stipulation of the parties. The interview of Dr. Peterson was conducted on March 9th of 2023 for the date.
And there's a transcript too.
Yes, we have a transcript. Yes.
Okay, that would be a different exhibit. Oh, let us know what that is. Do you need to mark it?
Oh, sure. We'll have that marked now, and it'll be admitted consistent with the local court rule on DAR reporting.
Okay, so you'll receive those 81, and then once we understand which one is for the transcript will be received. Anything further then for today?
Not for today. I think we're on track to rest tomorrow, Your Honor.
Okay, and I think that's where we're at. Correct, you weren't going to try to do anything else today.
I guess it's up to the state when they'd like to call their witnesses. So if the